Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Tap on the voice typing section and click on the gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to turn it on. Then go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Finally, hit Allow in the pop-up. And after seeing Speak Now command, start talking. When you are done, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!